Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahlan wa anta taj'alul hazna shi'ta sahlan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Huzaifa, is my voice loud and clear? Can you hear me easily?
Yes, it's completely good.
Perfect. So today we will be doing the topic called functions, alright? And in functions, I will be solving past paper questions. On the left hand side, right over here, all the years and the variants of the past paper are mentioned. These are IGCSE questions, alright? So let me move on to the
Yes.
first question. So it says f of x is equals to 1 minus 2x, g of x is equals to x plus 4, and h of x is equals to x squared plus 1. So how will we find f of minus 1? Look, f of x, so as I was saying, f of x is equals to 1 minus 2x. So instead of the position of x, I will write down minus 1. So f of minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 2. I will make brackets, and in place of x, I will just write minus 1. Alright, so f of minus 1 is equals to 1 minus minus, because minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, it will become positive 2. Okay, so f of minus 1 is equals to 1 plus 2 is 3. So that's how you get your answer. Any confusion, Josefa?
Nope.
Perfect. Then we have solved the equation 2f of x is equals to g of x. So look, first of all 2, what is f of x equals to? This. So you will write 1 minus 2x is equals to g of x. What is the value of g of x? X plus 4. So I will write x plus 4. So now I will expand this bracket. This is basic algebra. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by minus 2x is minus 4x is equals to x plus 4. Now I will shift minus 4x to the right hand side of the equation, and I will shift positive 4 to the left hand side of the equation. So this becomes 2 minus 4 is equals to x plus 5x. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2, and this is not 5x, my bad, this is 4x, my bad, this is 4x because I shifted 4x. X plus 4x is 5x. X is equals to minus 2 divided by 5. So this is the value of x. Any confusion, Josefa?
No, not at all.
Perfect. Now let me erase this all and move on to the next part. As you can see, yes, do you want to say anything, Josefa?
Yes, is that when you gave me that question, I actually solved it and I sent you a picture as well. I was right.
Very good. That's perfect. Inshallah, you'll be able to solve all the questions. So now we have fg of x. Many students get confused. You don't need to get confused at all. So first of all, f g of x. So f, instead of writing g of x, what is g of x equals to? X plus 4. So in brackets, write x plus 4 is equals to f of x, right? 1 minus 2x. So now f bracket x plus 4 is equals to 1 minus 2, and in place of x, you will write what we have written over here in the bracket. So make brackets and write x plus 4. So f bracket x plus 4 is equals to 1 minus 2 multiplied by x is 2x, and minus 2 multiplied by positive 4 is negative 8. So f bracket x plus 4 is equals to minus 2x, 1 minus 8 is negative 7. Do you get this, Huzaifa?
Yes.
Perfect. Glad to hear that. Now, okay, Alhamdulillah, we are done with these questions. Now we will move on. Let's see what other. So now we have h of 2. Alright, we have h of 2.
Yes.
So, first of all, let me write it over here. h of 2. We are finding h of 2. First of all, let's find h of 2. So you will write h of 2 is equals to x squared plus 1. Instead of x, you will write the value of 2. So h of 2 is equals to bracket 2 because x is square, so you will square it plus 1. So h of 2 is equals to, the square of 2 is 4 plus 1. So h of 2 is 5. Now the question was h of 2. So now we will just write h, and in place of h of 2 we will write 5, because the value of h of 2 is 5. So again write x square plus 1. Instead of x write 5, square it plus 1, 25 plus 1. So h of 2 is equals to 26. Do you get it, Josefa?
Yes, I get it.
Perfect, mashallah. Let me erase this. Now next we have f inverse x. Alright, f inverse x. I will solve this one over here as well. First of all, f of x is equals to 1 minus 2x. In place of f of x, I will write y is equals to 1 minus 2x. Now I will shift minus 2x over there and y over here. So 2x is equals to 1 minus y. X is equals to 1 minus y upon 2. So f inverse x is equals to 1. Instead of y, I will write x, 1 minus x upon 2. This is how I find f inverse x. Any confusion, Josefa?
No, easy.
Perfect. Now, last one is a bit difficult for students. It's h g of f x. All right, h g of x x. So let me write down. Just give me 1 minute. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write all the values down here. So f of x is basically equals to 1 minus 2x. Let me use a better handwriting. 1 minus 2x. And then we have g of x, x plus 4, and h of x is equals to x square plus 1. Now first of all, Josefa, the question is h g f of x is equals to 4x square plus px plus q. We have to show the value of p and q. First of all, Josefa, let's make our life easier. Let's just solve g f of x. So instead I will write g. What is the value of f of x? 1 minus 2x is equals to, and what is g of x equals to? X plus 4.
Plus 4.
So g 1 minus 2x is equals to, in place of x I will write 1 minus 2x plus 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5 minus 2x. So g f of x is equals to 5 minus 2x. Now I will solve the second part. So I will write h. Instead of writing g f of x, I can write 5 minus 2x is equals to, and what is h of x is equals to? X square plus 1. So now I will say h 5 minus 2x is equals to, in place of writing x, I will write 5 minus 2x square plus 1. I will square it now. So this becomes 25 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20x plus 4x square plus 1. So this becomes 4x square minus 20x, and 25 plus 1 is 26. So if I rewrite the other equation, which was 4x square plus px plus q, I realize that the value of p is minus 20 and the value of q is 26. Alright, so I hope you get this. Let me see if there are any other questions. There are no other questions. So this is it for our first video for functions today. I hope you all were able to understand this. Any questions or confusions that you might have, Josefa?
Yes, I have one question.
Please ask.
Over there on the right side, you wrote 25 minus 20x plus 4x squared plus 1, right?
But this is an identity. I expanded this, So basically what I did, 5 minus 2x square is this identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square is basically 5 square minus 2, a is 5, b is 2 plus b square, b is 2, 2x square. So this is the identity that I used. So when I
Okay, I get it.
expand it, it becomes this. Good question. Any other
Right.
questions?
No, that's it.
Perfect. So that's it for our video, guys. Hope you all liked it. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.